Good morning, class. Today we will discuss chapter number 9 or unit number 9. Don't hurt others. How can we hurt others? We can hurt others in two ways. One is physically and second is mentally. In physical, we hurt others by making any type of wound on their body, right? Any type of wound on their body, for example by pinching other, by cutting their any body part with the knife or any other sharp instrument. And mental hurt is when we hurt the feelings of others. Whenever we hurt the feelings of others, we hurt them mentally. So, in this story, uh, for example, this boy's name is Ram and his name is Sham, right? Ram is showing his balloon to Sham, but what Sham is doing, he blasted his balloon with the help of pin. Again, Ram bought one another balloon and Sham did the same thing. What Sham is doing, he is continuously causing him mental hurtness. He is causing him mentally क्या कर रहा है, उसकी feelings को hurt कर रहा है. But for the third time when he brought one another balloon, he did not blasted it. So due to this they became more good friend. We can say they became a best friend and we can say the love among them in this picture. So we will start the chapter. A deep wound on body made with a sharp weapon will be very painful and irritating. क्या कह रहा है वो, वेन एवर वी हैव एनी डीप वूंड ऑन अवर बॉडी इट विल कॉज अस पेन प्लस irritation. Irritation means you might not be able to sleep properly due to that wound or any other it will cause any other type of problem in your body, that means irritation, but it will get healed up within few days or few month or but while it getting healed up, it will cause discomfort, suffering and loss of many things. For example, somebody has a bike accident and in that accident he lost his hand or leg. If he lost his leg, that he won't get it back. So in such a way, physical or body wound cause loss of many type. On the other hand, mental wound is more painful than physical one. Why it is more painful? Because ये जो है it doesn't get healed or it will take a long time to get healed. ठीक है. For example, you had a fight with your best friend and next day is his or her birthday. Due to your fight, you don't wish him or her, and this will cause him or her a mental wound. What will happen due to this? He will, whatever the situation in the future is, you might be start speaking with each other, but he will never forget that you didn't wished him or her his or her birthday on a very special day. So such type of things, mental wounds take a long time to heal. Now we will discuss some points or some tips to understand others. How can we understand others? What type of behavior we should have towards other to make them feel important and to respect them? First is be convinced of what you want to convey and speak it out. So what he is saying कि कुछ भी नहीं बोल देना. It doesn't like that whatever comes in your mouth you speaks to others. You shouldn't do that. Instead of this, you should think about the others and you should speak in a very good manner so that others may not be hurt from your words, and never speak unnecessary things, especially when the situation is whenever you are in sad, other are in sad situation or in worse situation. Never ever speak anything that cause them more pain, because the situations will change but they won't forget your words. Next is, don't criticize others. Criticism means, सपोज आपको एक पर्सन की कोई हैबिट अच्छी नहीं लगती, तो क्या है, आप उसकी हैबिट को बारे में बुरी बातें बोलते रहते हो, बट instead of this you should try to find something good in that person. Everybody is having some sort of goodness in their behavior, so instead of finding their faults, we should try to find their goodness, and it will help us to respect and love others. Always give others equal respect to yourself. If you think I'm a good person, then you should think that others are also good person, and never ever think that I belong to a higher class or higher caste and he or she belongs to lower caste. Never ever think about that. You should think that all humans are from one, all are humans. There is nothing like caste religion. Okay, so always treat others equal to you. Never ever ask others that he belongs to a lower class, I wouldn't talk to him or her. So next point is, not nobody is perfect. Everybody is having some sort of limitations in their behavior. Suppose if I talk about myself, uh, there are many type of things which others don't like about me, as I usually get angry, and this is very bad